So you write everything along array, not just the first thing. That's multi-line trace by channel. And to get this node, just type in multi-line trace by channel. You will get this node. Now, why do we need it? Because as you know, normal line trace stops at first hit. Multi-line gives you all the hits in its path. It's actually perfect for piercing bullet, laser beams, or scanning. And for now, we will remove both of these nodes because we have an example prepared following from our previous tutorial where I showed you how to start the line trace and how to actually end it. And we will not change a lot from that, but there is a trace channel that we are changing in this tutorial. So as you can see, we have the two options by default, the visibility and the camera, but here we have something extra which is multi-trace underscore use. And how to actually make it, just go to your project settings, then under engine you will have the collisions where you have to click new trace channel, and then you will have two options. First of all, you have to name it, and for now we have just named it multi-trace underscore use. You can name it whatever you like, and then we have the default response. And for multi-line trace use, we have to make it overlap, and it will show you like this as you can see on the screen. The presets in the block all, as you can see on the screen, we have this multi-trace use and then it is set to overlap. Now once we are done with that, we have to prepare output because we have to see what is actually hitting and is it even printing that. For that we have the execution pin that we connect to for each loop with break. Now you can do for each loop only, but for now I'm using for each loop with break. And one more thing that I want to add here is that you don't want to use the branch node here because it won't return anything, and then you will see why your line trace isn't working. So for now we have the out hits and we will connect it to array, and then we will break the hit, and every loop body we will print whatever it is hitting. So it's quite a simple logic here we prepared for this example, and let's just compile it and see it in action here. And as you can see on the screen, we are standing here and it is actually piercing all the walls in front of it, and it is printing everything that comes in its way. So let's just stand here and let's take a outlook from here. Wait a minute. And now as you can see, it is actually piercing all of these walls, all of these cubes, and printing their name and index of how many are there. And we can check it by increasing and decreasing. I mean, you get what it is actually doing, how it's actually counting all the things that is touching and whatever their name is. Now it's actually used for shotgun pellets, piercing weapons, wall scans, or scanning through layered geometry. It makes your trace more advanced. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.